Hi DJ, this is Miss Lassiter. I am going to show you a quick video about how to access your work in Canvas for this week for distance learning and for other things that we're posting online for you to work on. So the first thing you're going to do is log in using your Quick Card. And just like you do when you log into Epic or for PBS Kids, Flocabulary, any of these apps, you're just going to find Canvas with the red circle and click on it. From there, to find your class for reading, you're going to find this purple Snoopy that has the stack of books. You're going to click on that, and it's going to pull up a screen that looks like this. When we're doing a Google Meet at 9 o'clock, that's when your class's Google Meet is for tomorrow. You're going to click on this box right here, and if you're on at 9 o'clock, then it'll join you into the meeting, and we can talk about the activities for today, for the day. So that's what that button right there is for you to get onto the Google Meet. You'll just simply click it. Right now it doesn't work because the link is not on there. It only is on there from 8:55 till about 9:15. That's when we have our meeting. So to find your lessons, you're going to click on this pink lessons button right there. And it's going to open up into your work. So you should be able to see the distance learning modules. That's just your work. Yesterday there was a BAT video. If you click on that, it'll show the video. There was a book, a Stella Luna Read Aloud, which is just a book that's going to be read out loud to you. If you click on that, I'll show you what that looks like. It'll give you some directions. And there's a book. If you click on the picture, it's going to take you to the read aloud page. So I'm going to go back. When you're having any kind of trouble navigating, it's always good to find this word modules on the side with the M and click on it. And that's going to take you back to the page. So there's a video, there's the read aloud, there's a story map in here for you to work on. If you click on it, do not worry about doing the digital form. That's typing on the computer. I would just have you click on the paper and pencil version, and you'll be able to see it. So I'm going to take a second to pull up. So it's going to look like this. You can just copy this onto a piece of paper and turn it in. Either send me a photograph of your work, or you can turn it in when you return back to school. So you're just going to, on a piece of paper, write the characters that were in the book. That's who was in the story doing the actions. You're going to write where the story happened. That's the setting. The problem in the book. What went wrong. And how that problem was solved. You can just write that on a piece of paper. Then just write a sentence about what happened first, what happened second, and what happened last in the story. And you can just simply do that on a piece of paper. So that was all of the work for group 1, day 1. So if you go back over to modules, click back over. We'll go back in and look for the work that's due today or to work on today. There's a BAT Nearpod, which is just an assignment where you click on it. It'll give you some directions to read. Your mom can read that with you. And then it's going to pull up a screen that looks like this. You're going to type in your name and join lesson. And it's going to show you some cards and facts about bats because that's what our focus topic is this week. So you'll just click through and hit submit at the end. And that's all there is to it. There's no written work for this. So I'm going to click out of that. You're just going to take you back right here to this screen. I can go back to modules again if I get lost. And then there's a reading passage called Off the Bat. It is an Edulastic, which you will find on your Canvas screen here, your ClassLink screen, where you find PBS Kids and Canvas and all those apps. You'll click on this green E, and it'll pull up your assignment in there. It's a passage to read and some questions to answer. You can do that with a grown-up so they can help you with the reading and reading the questions. And at the end, it'll ask you to hit submit. And that's all there is to it for today, is reading the passage and kind of looking at the different things. There's no written work with a paper and pencil. You can also go on to Epic right here. And I've assigned some books about bats. And there's a bat drawing that you can do for fun. So that's it for today. If you have any questions, please send us a dojo, and I'll be happy to help you in any way. Tomorrow, we'll be working in Canvas again at 9 o'clock. Click into Canvas. Click on that purple Snoopy. And at 9 o'clock, you're going to click on the Google Meet button here so you can join us in a video class. So, and we'll walk you through what we're going to be doing for the day tomorrow. So if you have any questions, please let us know, and I hope you enjoy it. If you need anything, just let us know. Thank you. Bye-bye.